lounge where the master kids love to hang out at.
What's he doing here? Aren't you here for box?
Oh yeah, I gotta go now. By the way, this is Tristan and he'll show you around from here. I go first, bye. Bye.
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Tristan and this is our residential lounge where maskers come together to play games, watch movies, or even just laze around. The aircon, sofas and blankets make it all the more comfortable to simply do nothing. But if you don't want to do nothing and get that bread, you can always just come here and study as well. Mind the noise, okay? Many of my closest friends come from my block because we practically live together and do so many things together. Along with the hall activities, many activities are also planned by block. In Temasek Hall, there are 5 blocks to make up one Temasek Hall. So look around and click to find out more about what we do together as blocks.